In this short tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use Google's custom search engine. This great website actually allows you to create your own search engines for your learners, so they only will search websites that you've already identified and vetted beforehand. So to do that, the first thing you do is you're going to come over here and you're going to click on here, create a custom search engine. And then the first thing you're going to do is you're going to enter in the sites you want them to search. So I'm going to put in www.edutopia.org, www.history.com, www.ducksters, a history website.com, and let's put in a history channel. Com. All right, and once you have all your websites identified, you're going to come down here and then you're going to name your search engine. You can change the language if you choose to, and here's some advanced settings, but we're going to stick with the basics today. So I'll name it just my practice search engine. And once you're done, that's about it. You just hit create. And congratulations, your new custom search engine is available. So you can actually go right here and you can, if you want to get the embed code to embed it into a website or to a blog, you can click right here and it'll give you that embed code. I usually, when I'm building WebQuest, I usually build them on a website. So I've really started to use this search engine in that capacity. And for websites, I do use embed code. It looks a lot better formatted wise, and it usually works better on the website than just putting the link to the search engine. But you can, if you want to, get the public URL and just share that link with them. So it'll be right up here. You'll just copy it in there. And you can also go right here to change make some changes to your custom search engine. So you can change the name of it. You can add a description, some keywords. You can turn on an image search too. So if you want to have them search images, here's where you can always get your public URL. You can add additional sites. And you can even, if you wanted to, it'll search these sites first, but if you turn this one on right here, it'll actually search the whole entire web. So it'll go through these sites that you've identified, and then it'll search afterwards. So there's a lot of different options right here, and then if you make any changes, you just click update. It'll save those changes. And then you can actually, I'll click on our public URL right here, and we're going to search. So I'm going to look for Revolutionary War. And you'll see everything, like I get a few ads, unfortunately, but all of my search results right here, they're all coming from history.com or the History Channel or Ducksters. All those websites have already actually identified. So using this custom search engine, you can actually go and create kind of a safe environment for your learners to practice their 21st century research skills before they've actually maybe developed all the digital citizenship skills and concepts they need to be able to stay safe online. But that's about it. Custom search engines from Google are a great way to, again, facilitate that 21st century skill of researching online. Thank you very much, and I hope you find this to be of great use.